Hello folks, today we're doing a review on the DNYKER welding machine. It's a mag MMA stick welder. Got it from Amazon for $120. Comes with a few extras that we'll see in the unboxing here. I sped the video up 5 times. These are the goggles that come with it. That was the plug, a few of the cords, the stick, and the ground. The welding machine itself, very lightweight. Overall, I've been very happy with this welder. Here at the end, we'll show how well it does weld, especially straight out the box. I needed a welder, a cheap welder. Don't have a lot of money, so I'm working on a budget. And this is one that had no reviews on the internet and barely any reviews on Amazon, so I was weary. But just because something's new doesn't mean it's bad. And just because something comes from China doesn't mean that it's junk. I love my American made, but when you're on a budget and you need a welder, gonna have to do what you gotta do, right? I was fighting with putting the spool in. You probably will too. It was a tight little squeeze there to get the line fed through. I ended up eventually getting it. I used the welding wire that came with the welder. I almost was going to use the Fortney .30 flux core, but I decided to use what came with the welder to show folks that you could use what you get straight out the box or not. Didn't know. But as we could see here, I hooked it into the 220 110 plug. It comes with the welder. Plugged it into a 110 service. I turned both dials to the halfway mark. Post a picture of it here. Feeding it through. Had to take the nozzle tip off. And I probably should have turned the wire feed up a little quicker, but at 5 times speed it goes quick for you guys. I grabbed a couple pieces of scrap metal here, a broken bolt, and then a piece that was cut off of some shelving that was too long. It'd been nice to have a welding table or grabbed my clamps, but I didn't. So I wedged something up against it. I had to turn the feed up, the amperage up a hair over half. Here I'm welding the first piece, the bolt to the item, showing you guys it welded really good. Using the tool that came with it, the wire brush hammer. Here you can see just spot welding on an old gear from a timing chain. Should have cleaned the oil off first. I knew better. But yes, I can say all in all, overall, this is a good welder, especially for a budget welder. Someone that needs a flux core and stick welder and all in one combo. This would be a great buy for you. Was for me. It's going to get a lot of use. And I can't wait to use it on more projects. I'm very surprised right out the box how well this welder worked. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Trying to grow the channel and get some subs up. Have a great day, folks.